Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the hand gesture based keyboard. So this will be the screen. Now you have to click on the show. So it will open the virtual keyboard. Now it works from the hand gesture. Like whenever user put their particular hand point on any key, then it will press and show the particular character. Okay, this project is completely computer vision based. Okay, and Python programming language is used. So the model will recognize the human hand gesture. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Android, web development, Java. Okay, if you're searching any type of project, or if you're developing any type of project and you need any help, I'll provide the contact link in description. Or if you're in doubt related to project, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.